Kingdom. It certainly is great seeing all your smiling faces out there today. Hello there. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Ken, and I'm a singer with the Dapper Dans right here on Main Street, USA. Gather around, everyone. Gather around, because in just a few minutes, we are going to officially open up the Magic Kingdom. But we can't open up the park until Mickey and the whole gang arrive from Toontown on board the Walt Disney World steam train. You see, folks, they've been very busy this morning getting the park ready for a day filled with celebrations. And what we want to know is, what will you celebrate today? Is everybody ready? Greetings, everybody. Let's say hi to our new guests.
Hi there. Good to see you.
Let's welcome our new friend.
Hello. Welcome.
Good morning from all of us here in the Magic Kingdom.
Good morning. Good morning. It's great to stay up late. Good morning. Good morning to you and you and you and you. Good morning. Good morning. Sunbeams will soon shine through. Good morning. Good morning to you. When the band began to play, the stars were shining bright. Now the milkman's on his way. It's too late to say goodnight. So good morning, rainbows are shining through. Good morning to you.
You see, folks, today's a very special day indeed, because Mickey has asked the Jacobs family from Grapevine, Texas, to take a ride with them on the Walt Disney World steam train. And then they'll help us open up the park by creating some good old-fashioned Disney magic. Is everybody ready? We're so glad to see you. Get ready for a magical day. Hey folks, did you hear the Walt Disney World steam train? It must be coming around the bend. Mickey and the whole gang will be here any minute.
Junior coming down the track with a smoky stack. Here and Pumpkin coming round the hill. Casey's here to thrill every Jack and Jill.
Hey folks, the steam train's coming around the bend. Now we can open up the Magic Kingdom.
Eliminating Cracker Jacks. Casey Junior's back. Casey Junior's back again. 6:32 times 6:38. My oh my, what a wonderful day. Plenty of sunshine in my way. 6:32 times 6:38. 6:32 times 6:38. My oh my, what a smoky day. Plenty of sunshine in my way. Casey's 6:32 times 6:38.
Let's hear from Mickey, the Jacobs family, and the whole gang.
Hi, everybody. Gosh, it's great to see you.
Gee, Mickey, we thought you'd never get here. It certainly is great seeing you and your new friends, isn't it, everyone? So tell us, Mickey, are we ready to open up the Magic Kingdom?
Yup, we sure are, aren't we, gang?
All right, then. Let's get the Jacobs family ready to help us make some good old-fashioned Disney magic. We want you out there to help us as well. Is everybody ready?
Gosh, that's swell. Hi there. Thanks for helping us today.
All right, everyone. Let's do a countdown backwards from 10 to open the park. Mickey!
Okay, gang, count nice and loud. Here we go. And
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
welcome to the Magic Kingdom, everybody.
It's all your magic that jumping pixie does. Welcome to a place where dreams come true. On timeless journey, the lights of fantasy. When only your wish creates things like this to